Nishi wa Hashima Masti, Watashi no Mane by James Kisu. Thank you for choosing Tokyo Tours as a guide to the land of Honshu. Japan is made of 4 main islands and over 6,000 small islands, stretching over 3,000 kilometres. The largest island is Honshu, and one of the largest urban areas on Earth. Our capital city is Tokyo, home to over 35 million people. No one is far from Japan sits on 40 tectonic plates and experiences nearly 5,000 earthquakes and tremors a year. No one is far from active volcano in Japan, and Tokyo itself is less than 100 kilometres from the famous Mount Fuji. Mount Fuji is an active volcano which last erupted in 1707. On clear days it can be seen from right here in the city. It is a famous symbol of Japan and is often depicted in artworks. One of Japan's most famous artists, Katsushika Hokusai, created 36 images showing Mount Fuji from various views in different seasons. He did not paint, but instead carved pictures into wooden printing blocks so they could be reproduced for the masses to enjoy. The most famous print is titled The Great Wave of Kanagawa.
A Japanese temple inspired by the Great Wave, emotional scene by Eleanor Darcy and Bree. Purple, blue and green, crashing, booming, heaving waves, deep, dark, stormy sea, scary, heavy, heaving cold, beautiful, still, clear, peaceful.
Inhabited Sea by Alfie and Janie. Inhabited Sea, crashing, freezing, beautiful, shipwrecks, wet driftwood, buoyant, floating, splashy, clear, whipping up heavy, cold waves.
As we enter the city, you'll notice a mixture of traditional and modern architecture. Traditional Japanese houses are raised a little off the ground to stop them from getting damp and to keep the living area from flooding in case of heavy rain. They have tatami mat flooring, sliding doors, and wooden engwa verandas. The Genkan is the entrance hall where people remove their shoes.
As we walk through the city, you may see people wearing the traditional Japanese dress called a kimono. A kimono is a long, loose traditional Japanese robe with wide sleeves and tied with a sash. Kimono literally means thing to wear, carry wear and mono thing. These are often worn to important festivals or formal occasions. In the past, you could identify the age and marital status of the woman by looking at the sleeves of her kimono. A married woman would wear a kimono with short sleeves, but a young unmarried woman would wear a kimono with long, loose, flowing sleeves that would touch the floor.
Here in Tokyo, Harajuku has become the centre of modern Japanese street fashion. This square mile is jam-packed with boutiques, fashion malls and chains. Fashion design in Harajuku spreads all around the world. Street fashion is not a specific look, but is about creativity and showing off your ideas to the world and is constantly changing.
If you would like to sample some of the local cuisines while you are visiting, I can make some recommendations. Japan. Rice is Japan's most important crop and has grown over here for 2,000 years. A bowl of cooked rice is the main part of a Japanese meal. The grain is also used for products including rice vinegar and rice flour. Japan also has over 2,000 fishing markets and is home to the world's largest fish market.
Sushi is without a doubt one of the most famous foods that come from Japan. It is traditionally made with rice paper and vinegar and contains seafood such as wasa, calamari and whale. It is often served with pickled ginger, wasabi and soy sauce. There are many different types of sushi. One of the world's most poisonous fish can be found here in Japan, a pufferfish called fugu. Its inner organs, especially the liver, ovaries, eyes and skin, contain a lethal amount of poison. Only chefs with special training can prepare this fish for you to eat.
some entertainment, I can recommend some traditional Japanese sports to view during your stay. Sumo wrestling is based on both the national sport of Japan and the martial art. The objective of sumo is to push your opponent out of the ring or to touch the ground. According to one legend, sumo was originally practiced by the gods. Wrestlers still sought to prepare the ring and declare it as a sacred place. They also stamped the ring to squash bad spirits. Sumo's origins go back at least 1,500 years ago. In 1994, sumo was considered the most popular sport in Japan, but by 2004 it was with playing baseball, which was introduced from America in 1972.
Japanese people have been practicing various forms of martial arts for thousands of years. Martial arts are the skill or practices including fighting techniques, physical exercises and methods of many disciplines. It is believed that most of the martial arts practices nowadays originated in Japan. 5 of the most popular are karate, jiu-jitsu, judo, aikido and kendo.
Now we are lucky enough to see a performance of Japanese taiko drumming. This is an ancient Japanese form of percussion using large drums. One of taiko's most defining aspects is its dynamic playing style. Taiko playing is loud, hard, and involves a lot of choreographic movements, which many identify with Japanese martial arts. There are more than 8,000 Japanese taiko groups in Japan.
Every morning, these secret deer come down from the Nile forest into the town to the Buddhist temple. These secret deer are allowed in the temple because they're believed to be messengers of gods. For 150 yen, about £1, can buy special deer's biscuits. They bow down to show respect and so that you will feed them. At the end, they make their way back to the forest.
In spring in Honshu, thousands of cherry trees burst into blossom. This is such an important event in Japan as to make the front page news. The trees are only in bloom for a very short time and the petals fall almost as soon as they appear. So people follow the Sagura Zensen or the cherry forecast hoping to see it at its best. People celebrate with a hanami or blossom viewing parties. These events have been celebrated for over 1,000 years where people eat traditional foods and drink sake.
Kudoma no Hai or Children's Day is a special festival in Japan. If you visit the month of May, you can see thousands of cartwheels from all over the country. Many hosts buy one kite for each child in the household. And why is the carp chosen for Children's Day? The carp is one of the fishes that swims upstream and even jumping over small waterfalls. Parents wish for their children to be strong and determined to lick the carp. There's a special song sung on Children's Day about the carp kite soaring like a family in the sky. J5 classroom. You can also have got the traditional art of Japanese origami.
Thank you very much for coming, boys and girls and ladies and gentlemen. I think you'll agree that the G5 children have put in a lot of hard work to the assembly. It's really the result of all of their learning from August all the way through to the end of November, and they have learned so much and they've learned their lines so well. So I'd like to ask them to stand and take a bow and give them a big round of applause again. Grandparents and family members to wait until the rest of the children leave the hall. Then there's tea and coffee and biscuits, refreshments at the back of the hall for you to enjoy with your children, and then we'll invite you back to the classroom to see the work that they've